Okay, now I'm going to do in our UI, in this canvas panel, I'm going to create a new widget interface widget blueprint. This is going to be widget blueprint loading screen. Okay, let's open this one. So I'm going to create a canvas panel, add a border, fill this to entire screen, set this color to pure dark, and we have this circular thrower, I think. Set this to center 0 0 300 300.5.5. Let's, I think an image size maybe 20 by 20, I think 15 by 15. Okay, so we have this loading screen here. So I'm going to create an animation. This is going to be fade. Let's add this entire, to select this canvas panel. So let's add this, select this canvas panel, let's add this canvas panel, and I'm going to add render opacity. Now on 5 seconds we have to create a key and set this to 0. Now we have this fade, smooth fade. That's what I need. So in graph setting, on event construct, I have to add a delay. Maybe I can play this animation, and then we have to add a delay. Let's say we have to add a delay of 3 seconds. Then we have to play this from reverse, and then we have to add a delay, and then we have to remove this widget from parent. That's all I have to do. Now on this duration, I'm going to promote this to a variable. This is going to be delay duration, instant editable expose on spawn. Now in our fast travel confirmation, okay, so before that I'm going to create widget, our loading screen, add to viewport, and then we can remove this one. Now let's try. I think for the loading screen I don't want this start animation. Let's set this to 2 second delay. I have to set this to 0.5, I think. Oh, I have to play this from forward. That's nice. I'm going to remove this loading screen and I'm going to set this to 1. That's all I have to do. Okay,